Hey guys, it's Brian, and today on Arrowhead Garage, we're replacing the power steering pump on the 2005 Honda Acura 2.4. Super easy, quick and easy to do, a couple bolts, and you're back up and running in business. And of course, there will be a link down below to where you can buy one of these cheap. They're about 70 bucks. They work, they're doing what they're doing. Don't buy original Honda, you'll spend $300 on a pump. Save your money. So, let's stop the yapping, let's get the wrenching on this week's episode of Arrowhead Garage. All right, first things first, we need to take off this belt. Tensioner is right there. It's a 14 millimeter. Let's go get a 14 millimeter and let's break that off real quick. All right, 14 millimeter breaker bar will go in. There's good. There we go. Just take that belt off. Just like that. That's all we need to do. Okay. And now the belt is off. We need to pull this here right off real quick. Well, that's... And the belt's still, yeah, good for now. I'm going to take off these 3 bolts here. These are the lines that go to the power steering pump. Let's move those out of the way. Okay, I'll break them loose here. There's 1. There's 2. And 3. All right. There's 1. All right, then look at this other one. And 1 more. Okay, we got those 3 bolts out. We have now that disconnected. Push those out of the way to where they don't leak as much as they should. Next, we're going to get this big 19 millimeter off here. We're going to take a screwdriver, stick it down in there to where it won't move. We'll take that off. We'll go ahead and get that on there. See if we can't break this off. There it is. There we go. Gotta love those cheater bars. Pull that screwdriver out. Just take this nut right off. That will just take this right off. Off it comes. We'll get ready for the next one on that. Okay. Next thing we have is a bolt here. A bolt down there to take off. So 1 there and 1 there. Okay, 12 millimeter. Got a breaker bar and just do the same thing. There we go. There's that one. And then all right, now these 2 bolts have come out. Kind of a long bolt there to take out. There it is. Boy, she is dirty. Woo-wee. So get that new one. Okay, so here's our new one. Those 2 bolts that hook it up to the side. This one comes with a new one of these, so we'll take that off. But let's go ahead and get this situated. And right there, get these started. You'll want to make sure this thing points down like that. Here's this other one. It goes down. Feel it engage. All right. All right, I'm just going to tighten these up real quick. And then this one down here. All right. And just give it a little bit of a torque. That should be good there. Now, let's get these and let's take this off. All right. We'll come in here. We'll pull that down. Let's see about taking this off here. Yeah, there's the old one. And this has a protective cover on it, so we'll get that off of there. We'll get the new hose on, or the hose back on. Then we'll clamp this back up. Okay, that's done. Now, protective cover on this one, so that will come over here. Then we'll take this here, we'll put it in. We'll grab 2 of those bolts. We'll get that started. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, then we'll just zip these down. And this one. I'll torque this for us. That's good right there. Remember, this is just aluminum. I'm just going to double check, make sure this one's tight. Good, good, good. All right, so that's hooked back up. That's hooked back up. Now we need to put on our pulley. All right, so 1 pulley. Get it situated on here. Get on those splines. There it is. And then we'll put this nut on. You'll have to put this screwdriver back in. Just like that. Use our electrical in here just to get it on. There it is. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, I'll torque this down. Right there. She's good. Okay. Spinny, spin, spin. And we'll get our belt. Bring it back up. All right, we'll get our tensioner on there here in a minute. All right, down on our tensioner. Forward. And this belt now needs to come up and around. And then it comes over to here. Now, if you lost any fluid, this is the time to refill. Go ahead and put that in there. And only use Honda fluid. I'm telling you right now, Honda fluid, only Honda fluid. These cars are really picky. So we'll just go ahead and fill this up. And you put in as much as you need. Okay, that's pretty good. So now we're going to go turn the car on, and we're going to turn the wheels left to right. Okay, we'll start it up. We'll rotate those tires, and we'll check our fluid level. No? Okay. Oh, that's good then. All right, we're all done. Go and put this back down. Take it for a test drive.